Many of you have age skin spots and don't understand the connection between age skin spots and the liver. So in today's video I'm going to explain everything that you need to know, and I'm going to give you a solution how remove age skin spots in the safe and natural way using only natural remedies. Many people don't think deeply about it. You see spots on your skin and assume it's just about the sun. You tell yourself, I'm getting older and this is normal. You go to the store, buy a whitening cream, scrub your skin, but nothing truly changes, or it fades slightly and comes back. Why? Because the problem is not only outside, the problem begins inside. Your skin is like a dashboard of a car. When the engine lights turn on, you don't cover it with the tape, you check the engine. In this case, the engine is your liver. Today we live in the world of excess sugar, processed food and chronic stress. Our internal filter become overloaded. In this video I will explain mechanism behind the waste accumulation in your cells and how lifestyle changes can support healthier aging. Education is the first step toward your real change. And in today's modern world, almost between 50 to 70% people above 50 years and older have the liver damage. You have minimum fatty liver, but usually after 10 or 20 years you will develop in something called cirrhosis or fibrosis of the liver. So the liver is the one organ that suffers the most in today's modern world because unhealthy daily habits, unhealthy food, and use a lot of chemical medication each day that destroys the liver function. What is lipofuscin? So, what is the brown pigment? It is scientific name lipofuscin. To make it simple, lipofuscin is cellular waste. It is mixture of oxidized proteins and fats that accumulates over time. Think of it as a wear and tear debris inside your cell. Normally your body has internal cleaning system, like tiny recycle units inside each cell. But as we age, and especially when we live under oxidative stress, those systems become less efficient. When waste accumulates beyond a certain level, it becomes visible in the tissues on the skin. And that is when brown spots appear. It is important to understand this process is not limited to the skin. Oxidative stress can affect many tissues, including brain, heart, and the liver. And the spots are visible sign of systematic aging process linked to oxidation, and those oxidations comes maybe 10-20 years before using unhealthy lifestyle, as I said it earlier, chemical medications, unhealthy daily habits, processed food each day. All of this is connected to our liver, and liver does not work properly, and that's why those lipofuscin on our skin visibly appear, especially after 50 years and older. Why is the liver relevant? The liver is our primary detoxification organ. It processes hormones, metabolic byproducts, and various compounds from food. However, modern lifestyle, especially diets high in sugar and refined carbohydrates, are associated with increased rates of fatty liver disease. And when insulin levels remain chronically elevated, fat can accumulate in the liver, and this connection and condition known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. It is linked with oxidative stress. A well-functioning liver contains antioxidant system that helps neutralize oxidative damage. But when insulin resistance develops, antioxidative defense may become depleted, and the sun can make pigmentation more visible. However, internal oxidative stress may influence how the skin responds to environmental damage. In today's modern world, we look a lot older than generation before. This is all because of those oxidative stress, because liver damage, and one of the main reasons why you have aged skin spots. My dear viewers, please remember this. Insulin resistance and diabetes are one of the major problems in modern world, but you don't realize that you have insulin resistance and you have diabetes. Many of you don't realize that, but after 50 years and older, almost 70% people in the modern world have insulin resistance and diabetes. All this insulin resistance, liver dysfunction are contributing that you have age skin spots visible and you aging a lot faster. Now let's talk about the zinc. Zinc is essential mineral for immune function, skin health, and antioxidant defenses. It plays a role in protecting cell membranes from oxidative stress. And as people age, stomach acid production may decreases. Adequate stomach acid is necessary for proper mineral absorption, including zinc. So even if zinc intake is sufficient, absorption may be reduced. And why does this matter? Zinc supports antioxidant enzymes that help protect lipids from oxidation. Since lipofuscin is partially composed and oxidized fats, oxidative balance is important. And zinc also participates in insulin regulation. If zinc levels are low, metabolic regulation may be impaired. Insulin resistance is associated with fatty liver and oxidative stress, and these processes are interconnected. And if you don't have in everyday life don't eat good quality food with zinc, don't use 100% organic supplements that have zinc, you will have problem, my dear viewers. Now let's talk about food sources and dietary patterns. Important dietary sources of zinc include oysters, red meat such as beef and lamb, and pumpkin seed. However, beyond adding certain foods, it is equally important to examine overall dietary patterns. Diet high in refined carbohydrates, sugar, and ultra-processed foods are associated with oxidative stress and metabolic imbalance. Highly processed vegetable oils used in fried foods may oxidize under high heat. Excessive intake of fried and sugary foods contributes to inflammation and accelerated aging process. Supporting whole, minimal processed food is fundamental step in protecting metabolic and the skin health. And one of the easiest way how you're going to protect yourself against the aging, visible signs of aging with wrinkles, dry skin, and those age spots is going to be, of course, zinc. It's going to be vitamin C, and third, one of the most important thing is start practicing something called intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is so crucial for your skin that you don't even realize it, and this is one of the best diet in the world. On my channel you have maybe 50 videos about intermittent fasting. What is autophagy and metabolic reset? There is also natural process called autophagy. Autophagy means self-eating. It is cellular recycling mechanism that helps remove damaged proteins and cellular debris. Lifestyle strategy as structural eating patterns may stimulate autophagy. Intermittent fasting, such as 16-hour fasting window, can lower insulin levels temporarily, and lower insulin states are associated with activation of cellular repair mechanism, including autophagy. This is one area of anti-aging research that is continued to be studied. If considering zinc supplementation, forms such as zinc glycinate or zinc citrate are commonly used to do good absorption, and typically supplement ranges are approximately 15 to 30 milligrams per day depending on individual needs. Important long-term high-dose zinc supplementation may reduce copper levels. Therefore, balance is essential and supplementation should be discussed with qualified healthcare professionals. When we work in my office with patients who have those chronic problems with skin, with age skin spots, we always begin with the healthy lifestyle. Healthy eating always is going to be intermittent fasting, and we give information about best supplements in the world. If you are one of them, if you want to find out what are the best supplements in the world that we use in our patient, that have zinc in unbelievably 100% organic form, that had vitamin C and other minerals and vitamins that are crucial for your skin health, call our office. We will give you information what are the best supplements in the world, minerals and vitamins, of course, for your skin condition. At the end of the video, I really want to remember, liver is unbelievably bad in today's modern world. It's an attack for many aspects of our life. You have insulin resistance, you have liver problem, and of course you have aged skin spots. And this is something that you will not fix easily. There is no quick fix with your insulin resistance and with your liver, but we have a solution, of course, for you. Always is going to be nutrition, natural remedies, and on the long term you will be healthy. My dear viewers, thank you for following me. See you in the next video. Bye bye. My name is Mario and I am European medical professional. For the last 26 years, experience working with the patient all around the world. My primary areas of expertise are nutrition, natural medicine, physical therapy, and rehabilitation. And I'm also author of the 4 books. My first book is called Intermittent Fasting, The Secrets of Health and Longevity. And my other 3 books are called Miraculous Natural Remedies, Part 1, Part 2, and the Part 3. Those books have been translated into 12 foreign languages and have helped thousands of people all around the world regain their health, strength, and vitality. And they can help you as well. You can purchase all of my books directly from my official website, mariolab.hr. Your health deserves knowledge, experience, and proven natural solution. And I believe in my books you will find thousands and thousands of information that you never heard about, especially about natural remedies. As I said, all of my books are translated into 12 different languages. You can buy it on my website, mariolab.hr.